We do know that our commissioner, Armando Estrada, is getting prepared for his big matchup later on tonight with Mr. Ken Kennedy.
And his final matchup.
Eric Freedom putting the brakes on, now throwing O.D.B. into the turnbuckles. Now Eric Freedom setting something up over on the other side. And wait a minute, look out! Wait, oh! What's gonna happen here?
Oh my! Oh my! Where do I sign up to take one of those?
O.D.B. Look out! Oh! A Luthez press off the top rope and kicked out, did Eric
Seriously,
Freedom.
can I sign up for one of those, Damien?
Wait a minute!
No way! Oh,
Sparky now getting involved from the outside. Eric Freedom now with the upper hand thanks to the ladies champion from outside the ring, Sparky.
I still don't understand the logic. You know, I'm dumbfounded. I'm lost.
That's a hair pull, blatant hair pull by Eric Freedom, who is now in this matchup against the TNA Knockouts champion, O.D.B.
Yeah, I don't understand this, how they're allowing Electric Eric Freedom to beat on
this whole match at its foundation. I mean, the ladies champion's a man, for God's sake. This is chaos.
And you've got referee Brian Peters here, and he's not even taking charge of this match.
Well, he's trying his best. I mean, you look at the situation surrounding this matchup, things are a bit confusing at times as Sparky passes here at the broadcast position, and now a choke.
Come on now! Come on, get out of there! A chokehold on O.D.B. If you didn't want in the match, you shouldn't be in the match. You should get out of the ring, get out of the ring. This is supposed to be a one-on-one matchup. The ref's got to get in there and do something. I don't understand the logic. This match is just, it's all over the place.
Eric Freedom now. It's up O.D.B. Chin down to the canvas. Now a reverse chin lock. Sparky rallying the crowd outside the ring here.
Eric Freedom got O.D.B. in a, it looks like a chin lock of some sort. Yeah, and she's struggling. She's struggling. The referee trying to check to see if she wants to give up.
I understand now that I just got word from the Cos who's in the back. Armando Estrada is not happy about what has happened so far in this matchup. And that's all we know at this time. And what has happened is the ladies champion Sparky no longer in this matchup defending that ladies championship against O.D.B. O.D.B. now one-on-one with Eric Freedom.
Well, I wonder if that's a foreshadowing of the future here tonight at Blizzard Brawl 5. Armando Estrada not having things go his way tonight. I mean, you look back at the Lance Allen match. Kept sending guy after guy after guy in.
Wait a minute, look out! Oh, wait! Oh! The referee goes down hard.
Ref's out.
Outside the ring. Oh, oh my! Look at that! Look at the aisle there! That's Haystacks!
It's Haystacks!
That's Haystacks! He's back! Haystacks is back! What's he doing here? Did Sparky convince him to? Wait a minute! Sparky's got a chair! Sparky's got a chair! What the heck?
Do you really think that Sparky is going to try to go one-on-one with Haystacks Ross?
Sparky just took my chair and he put it in the ring. Oh my! Oh no!
We got a new women's champion! Damien, I cannot believe it. O.D.B., the new Great Lakes Championship Wrestling Women's Champion. Finally, we have a woman. Oh!
What a wild matchup. Listen to what...
I've never wanted to be
Haystacks champion Sparky. It's supposed to be one-on-one with O.D.B., but out comes Eric Freedom, who gets put in the ring in the matchup. Armando Estrada sends out Haystacks.
And Haystacks laying the 650 pounds on top of Sparky. And now you see O.D.B, the new GLCW Women's Champion, ending a nearly year-long reign by Sparky